can actually do a cheers now.
Yeah, cheers. My cup, can you see my cup?
Yes, I can see it. Yes.
I used to closely observe my mom's, like when she's cooking, or my grandmother is also very good in cooking. When I was small, I always used to watch them. Some interest with the cooking. I don't know how come. At some stage, I picked up fascinated for international cuisine like Chinese and Italian. After some time, like when I was in 12th, I think I started making pizzas in very early age. Started experimenting with those, got some appreciation from friends and family, and that further motivated me. While I still do a lot of Indian dishes, I love to cook. That is there. Mom and my nanny, she used to cook very good food. Yeah, very tasty, and her hand was like my hand. Everyone says कि नानी का हाथ आया है इसके, मतलब जैसे heredity is in me. Whatever she used to cook, very good.
I guess तो आप किचन में मतलब नानी बना रही होती थी और आप उन्हीं के साथ खड़े होके देखते रहते थे, ऐसा?
हाँ. And she had a recipe book also. I used to copy from her recipes. कि नानी give me this recipe. तो she was also, मतलब वो भी बहुत खुश होते थे कि someone is there who is, मतलब कॉपी करती है या जो सीखती है whatever. कि no one used to bother about her recipes, but I was there. I was the only one who used to say, Nani, please give me this recipe to me. My mom used to say, I hate cooking. How come she is so much fond of cooking? So मुझे ऐसा था ही, मैं कहती थी नहीं, I like it.
So आपके साथ होता था कि कई बार, जैसे आपने अभी बताया आपकी मॉम को उतना पसंद नहीं था अगर कुकिंग करना कभी कभी, तो कई बार आप कहते कि अच्छा ठीक है मम्मा मैं बना दूंगी, या फिर मैं टेक ओवर कर लेती हूँ?
मैं बना देती हूँ, नहीं मैं बनाऊंगी तो डिफरेंट बनाऊंगी. I will not cook the same roti dal. I'll make dosa, I will make cake, I will make something different. And when my father's birthday is there, I will make some उनकी क्या पसंद है, तो I used to make that what he likes. Like for his birthday, no one used to celebrate birthday that time, and I don't know how come I started all this. I'll make something good for Papa. Let me.
So sweet.
Whenever something is new or exciting, exotic dishes, I like it. I really like it. When I get some order, I don't know, so नींद भी आ रही होगी तो भी मैं उठ के I will start doing it. इतना मुझे interest है.
Wow. So, would you say कि the secret to your recipe is all that love you have for family, or is it that curiosity कि ये कैसे बनता है, ये exotic क्या है? तो what would be the secret to your recipe?
Secret, really don't think there's any secret other than interest and passion for cooking. Enjoy feeding people and loving the feel when people like and appreciate. That is the secret, I think. This is the secret. Appreciation is very big thing for me. If someone says wow, then I get motivated. मेरे बच्चों के जो friends थे, they used to tell, मोना आंटी जैसा नहीं है ये, मतलब they used to, somewhere they went and they ate butter chicken, and then her mom was asking, अच्छा है, पर मोना आंटी जैसा नहीं है. मतलब मैं सुनती थी तो मैं टिफिन में भी, when I used to give tiffin to my kids, उनकी मम्मियाँ फोन करके बोलती थी वो जो आपने चिकन वाला सैंडविच रखा था, how did you make it? Please tell me. My son is saying I want the same sandwich.
I can just imagine आपके kids ना पॉपुलर रहते होंगे स्कूल में कि अरे आंटी ने कुछ अच्छा बना के भेजा होगा, आंटी ने एक्सोटिक भेजा होगा कुछ.
They used to come to my house for, मतलब आंटी ने कुछ पार्टी है, वाह आंटी ने कुछ अच्छा बनाया होगा, like this. They used to like it.
So are you ready? अब थोड़ा रैपिड फायर राउंड खेलते हैं थोड़ी सी देर.
Yes.
सिंपल रूल्स हैं. I'll ask you questions and जो आपको फर्स्ट चीज दिमाग में आए आपको वही बतानी है. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Amazing. कि ऐसे क्या 3 चीजें हैं जिसके बगैर आप किचन में नहीं रह सकते हो?
Oven, gas, mixie. Very important. Mixie, the oven, then gas. I am in front of three gadgets, whatever you say.
So what is the first word that comes to your head? when I say these words. So let's start off easy. Cake,
Almond cake. Just now we talked about it.
dry fruits,
Dry fruits. Like dry fruits, that granola bar I make.
art,
Culinary art.
taste buds,
Taste buds. My food. Like I've kept its name taste buds. Yeah.
Fantazo,
It's a experience. I want to have an experience with Tazo.
what is your kitchen philosophy?
Like
Fine.
kitchen philosophy is I love kitchen. I love cooking in my kitchen. My kitchen is very beautiful actually. I love cooking in my kitchen. And philosophy is like philosophy. Kitchen philosophy is make good food. Should be clean, neat, and food should be tasty and with heart. I should cook with heart, with full heart.
ऐसे क्या 3 ingredients हैं जो कि किचन में डेफिनेटली होने चाहिए?
So salt, sugar, and that is and oil.
Would you choose a salad or would you choose noodles?
Salad.
Thai food or Chinese food?
Thai.
Sweet food or spicy?
Sweet.
Would you choose chocolate coffee marble cake or would you choose almond oats healthy cake?
Healthy cakes.
Healthy cake.
My menu card is with healthy cakes. I put a lot of seeds, nuts, and oats, ragi, and whole wheat. Everything in.
So if you
Olive
had
oil.
ah,
Olive oil also I put.
so
in my
I
cake.
think आपके यहाँ पे जंक फूड भी थोड़ा हेल्दी जैसा ही बनता होगा मतलब.
हाँ वही. People say कि oil भी कम होता है, spices भी कम होते हैं, and it's tasty.
Wow, that is the dream. मतलब अगर जंक फूड हेल्दी बन जाए तो ये तो बहुत ही अच्छी बात हो जाती है. एटलीस्ट गिल्ट तो नहीं लगता
And I-
खाते वक्त.
You know, I make rice noodles.
Wow.
Instead of making with ये मैदा वाले noodles होते हैं ना, normal noodles.
Okay, so my next question is कि what is your favorite dish on your menu?
Green Thai curry, red Thai curry. I love it. With steamed rice, yeah. Because it has got lots of veggies and coconut milk. Everything is healthy in this. And very little oil. I make it with little oil. Yeah, that is.
So if you had to choose crunchy Thai salad or the red curry or red Thai curry, which one would you go for?
I will have red Thai curry with rice.
If you had to give a tip to any budding chef या नए chefs को, so what would it be?
Make food with wholeheartedly, like with full, with love, with passion.
So that was the end of my questions, interview questions. Thank you so much for taking out the time. And
Thank you.
आप आराम से चाय पी सकते हो, मैं भी एक सिप ले रही हूँ मतलब मैं थ्रू आउट बोलती नहीं और आपको चाय
नहीं, it's good now. Yes, someone is talking about the food. I love this topic and I enjoyed this interview a lot. Okay then.